I thought I ordered a lot of stuff, but here's the package. And it's all in here, wrapped in bubble wrap and stuff. So yeah, I didn't really order a lot of things. Let's open it up. Yep, bubble wrap and taped. Let's see, what did we get here? Come on. Oh, here's a step up boost circuit, DC to DC, blah blah blah. It can do 5 amps. This is important for my TV, my new TV. It has an external power supply, and I just use one of these to power it from computer power supply, which outputs 12 volts, and I need 19. It's an LG TV, so maybe I need to put a heatsink on this, probably, most likely, but I still have to research it because I don't think it's optimal to put it on top. I think I'll have to desolder it and put it on the back. I don't know exactly how these work, so I need to look that up. DC to DC, step up, in, out. It doesn't have a model number. Oh, I think the company makes the orders these custom, so it's not a particular module number because they told the Chinese manufacturer what to make. So yeah, it's rated for 5 amps, so it's more than enough. The TV needs about 30 watts, so this is fine. Let's see this. Okay, this doesn't have a model number. Also, come on. This is for a power bank, and also no model number. I don't understand why. Best step R, and I chose this because it was $2 and it has a big coil. That's how I determine the quality of things nowadays. Big coil or small coil. Small coil is bad. Big coil is good. So this also has a medium coil. This is also good. 2R2 and 220. Whatever that means. This is a oh yeah, this is a step up voltage regulator boost from a 5 volt USB to whatever you want, up to 32 I think. So this operates only at 5 volts. That was specified in the spec sheet. And this is the first time I see a battery drawn on the circuit board. That's kind of funny. It's battery, positive, negative, and allegedly this is a charger and also outputs 5 volts here on the output. I don't know. I had never seen anything like this before. The power bank electronics that I used before had components on both sides. So one was the output and the other was one the charger. So I'll have to see. In the worst case, I have a USB Type C connector and a simple USB. If this doesn't work. Oh yeah, it also has 4 LEDs here. Charge indicator, energy indicator. So yeah, this was the second thing. What else did I get? Oh, this is just filler because if I chose these, shipping was free from this company. That's kind of a stupid system. So if you want something shipped for free, you need a product, or the sum of the products need to be at least $6. But yeah, If you add, these were like 15 cents. They were also with free shipping from the same company. So if these cheap things are with the free shipping, then you can add these which don't come with free shipping, but they now come with free shipping because it's from the same company. So yeah, I bought these. I think I'll just put them side by side and make cable extenders, or what do you call them? When you connect two network cables together to make a longer one, like this. Run all the wires here and maybe glue it together or something to make one unit to connect two cables. Whatever. Yeah, so this was a side mission. Or side quest, what do you call it? And what else? Is this it? This is one of those LEDs for the LED TV backlight. And this seems a lot better than what I bought. So the original one for the LG TV and the replacement part I got from China, they are both on a flexible, I mean somewhat flexible circuit board. It's copper on one side, copper on the other side, and in between there's plastic, I think, to the best of my knowledge, some sort of plastic. I don't think it's real circuit board that's made of glass. So yeah, this is just aluminium and it acts like a perfect or near perfect heatsink. So if you have a TV, you need a lot of these, like at least 10 or up to 30 maybe, 50, and connect them together, place them in the correct positions, and yeah, you repair a TV if the backlight fails. This was $50. What else? Oh boy, what did I... Oh, I left this in by mistake. Yeah, that's kind of stupid. This was a mistake. It's a mini USB cable, port. You don't use that anymore. Maybe some Bluetooth speakers still have this for charging, but it's not popular anymore. It's or did I buy it for the clock? No, the clock has one. I've been working on a digital clock. So there was a reason, I think, but yeah, I left it in my mistake. So I got a bag and this for less than like 20 cents. So yeah, that's it. Maybe I'll make videos when I use these products in actual scenarios where they are very useful, cheap, very cheap things.